Hello everyone, my name is Nisarani and I am here along with my teammates Salini, Sanya and Preeti. So here we are going to present the topic interpolation in mathematics. That this topic is very important in mathematical analysis and statistics and weather forecasting etc. And I would like to thank Kundan sir for giving this opportunity. In this presentation, we will discuss the concept of interpolation and different methods used in interpolation like backward interpolation, forward interpolation and Lagrange interpolation. It also helps us to find missing data and you will clearly understand how interpolation works and interpolation make mathematics more practical and easier. So now I would like to call Sania for further explanation.
Hello everyone, I am Sana and today my topic is Newton forward and backward interpolation. So in Newton forward interpolation, you have to construct first of all this table as you can see here like this. This column is for x0, x1, x2 till xn and this column is for f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 till f of xn. For further construction, you have to first of all subtract f of x1 from f of x0 and f of x2 from f of x1 and so on. So the formula for Newton forward interpolation. So here's the formula for Newton forward interpolation as you can see here. P and x equals to f of x0 plus x minus x0 first divided difference, then plus x minus x0 x minus x1 second divided difference, then plus x minus x0 x minus x1 dot till x minus xn minus 1 and till x0 plus x1 plus x2 till xn. Okay, so this formula uses divided difference to construct the interpolating polynomial. Okay, so now moving ahead to towards the Newton backward method. So here's the Newton backward interpolation method as you can see here. This method is quite similar to the Newton forward interpolation method only, but it is used when the interpolating values near to the end of the values or when the desired point is closer to the last data point. Okay, so now let's move on to its formula. The formula for Newton backward interpolation is P and x equals to f of xn plus x minus xn first divided difference plus x minus xn x minus xn minus 1 second divided difference plus dot plus xn minus x minus xn x minus xn minus 1 dot till last divided difference. Okay, so let's see some example. As you can see in this also you have to construct this interpolation table and the constructing method for this is same as Newton forward interpolation only. Okay, so now I would like to call my other teammate for further explanation.
I am Shalini. As of now, you have seen Newton's forward interpolation, Newton's backward interpolation, and now I am here to explain the method 3, that is Lagrange interpolation. Basically, just imagine you have some points like x0, x1, x2, x3 and y0, y1, y2, y3. Single polynomial that goes through all these points, we have to find that particular polynomial. This method is basically used for this. This method is also helps us for finding missing values between known data types. The method of Lagrange interpolation helps us do this instead of solving a big equation. It is given as a short single line formula as of you see now, that is L0 y0 plus L1 y1 plus L2 y2 dot Ln plus Ln into yn. And I would like to show a single example of Lagrange interpolation, that is here it is y0 and y1 y2 is already given in the question, but we have to find that L0 L1 L2 L3 for completing the whole formula. So what is the method of finding L0 L1 L2? Basically it is the basic formula, that is x minus x1 x minus x2 and upon x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2. Here we execute this formula. I can explain this. For finding the value of L0, we neglect the value of x0. As you see here, it is neglected. We take x minus 2, x minus 3. In denominator, we take 1 minus 2, that is we now we take this value x0 and subtracting with the another value, that is x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2. So by implementing that formula, we find out the value of L0. Similarly, we also do the same for the L1, L2, and at last we put all this value in the polynomial. This is as you can see, I have put the value of L0, Y0, L1, L2, and I get the value of Px. Now I would like to call Preeti to conclude this entire session.
For the explanation, so moving to conclusion that what is backward interpolation. Backward interpolation is a technique used in numerical analysis. Next one is forward interpolation. Forward interpolation is a method used in key value and data. Lagrange interpolation. Lagrange interpolation is a method used in value and data set within a value and key points. Thank you for paying your attention.